We are working for the company RIMS, Robotic in Maintenance Strategy, founded in 2015. We're developing maintenance strategies for companies, and one of the concepts is the drone service. We do inspections of enclosed spaces like ballast tanks, void spaces, cargo holds in tanks of vessels. We do it also onshore. And we also do it outside, so we also have partners where we can actually inspect the outer areas of the hull. So we can facilitate complete vessel inspections, which are, by the way, class approved. So we're the first company which has the remote inspection technology approval of all major classification societies, and that means that we can support the surveyors with the inspections using the drones. Well, what you see at the moment is that the regulation and the regulators are ahead of the market, which is unique in the maritime industry. The technology and the service is class approved. For us, it's the challenge to convince the market that the technology exists and they can use it and it is approved. So for us, it is a continuously process to increase the awareness of the market that the technology is there. We're setting up partners this year, also locally. So we're working in areas like China, in Singapore, and in the US to set up partners, as we can't travel the whole world around by doing the inspections. So that will be our next target this year as well. And of course, we have the R&D projects for 2030. Which is more related to autonomous flights of drones and thickness measurements. But that's a matter of finding the right investors to, let's say, to make next steps in the process. We're working on the autonomous part of the drone. We also would like to have the thickness measurements working out. That whole process should be covered in a digital model of the vessels, because otherwise you're doing high tech and you're still writing information on paper. That doesn't work. And eventually the reporting will be done automatically to the customer, and that will also facilitate the remote inspections requirements of the classification societies. They would like to do remote inspections more and more. So that's where we're heading at, let's say, 2030.